What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another amazing vlog. We are consistent, boys. I told you we're vlogging back to back to back to back to back. I have no clue what we're doing today, but I know that we are outside once again. But as you guys can see, we got a whole bunch of orders packaged up right here. So if you guys want to go shop my brand, it's growlocker.com. And here's like a little slight fit today. Don't mind the t-shirt because I'm not going to be wearing a t-shirt. It's like an under t-shirt. I'm going to be wearing a hoodie over this, so don't mind that. But we had the Rick Owens pants on today. Look how big these are, bro. Can't even see my feet. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, but yeah, we're about to go run to the post office and then head over to Community Goods, grab our matcha. We're gonna be linking up with the homies today. They have a whole bunch of BMWs and they all put like Hellcat stickers on their BMWs. So we're gonna go link up with them. We might go link up with Jack Doherty too. He's in LA. I was just with him last night, so we might pull up on him again today. I don't know. You guys should watch the video, bro. It's super random. Freaking entrepreneur clothing brand, Miami course seller lifestyle. What? Oh my gosh. I'll just catch you guys on the road, bro. All right, boys. As you can see, we have the Hellcat right here. We got the big buddy Benz right here. We got the Lamborghini Urus over there. You know what time it is? Come on. If you watch this channel, it's time to set up every single alarm in this parking garage. 3, 2, 1. All right, boys, as you can see, we just got our hands on a new BMW right here. So let's go check it out. She left her keys, so she's cooked. She's about to get striked right now. Let's go. You guys know we got the Hellcat, but now we got our hands on a Beamer now. We put out a Beamer crew, so who wants to get gapped? Come on, boys. I see that. We go from Hellcat. We go from Hellcat right here, and then we go to BMW right here. So as you guys see, this is my new 2021 BMW. What is this? M3. Yeah, I know I'm a little bit broke, guys. I don't have the buckets, but hold on, let me unlock this for you guys and show you. I don't have the buckets. I'm a little bit broke, so just bear with me. Oh my gosh, why does this seat all the way up? Holy crap. Yo, W parking, by the way. And then we have the M4 frozen plates, TBTFW. So let's go ahead and do a little cold start on the car so you guys can hear it. Bro, why is the seat? Her seat's all the way up, bro. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Hop in. Put this right here. So this is how you start a BMW for everybody who doesn't know. Put your foot on the brake and then you like that. You guys let me know, should I get a BMW? M4 CSL? What the hell? Yo, this is not an M4 CSL. But you guys let me know. Do you see calithekid in a BMW? In a BMW? I don't know, y'all boys let me know. This thing is like low-key sick though, I'm not gonna lie. Freaking stock exhaust, bro. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I could do this, bro. BMW's not really my thing, I ain't gonna lie. It's not really my thing. But it's nice though, it's nice though. You feel me? It's nice though. Y'all see calithekid in a BMW? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. All right, boys. Legend! What up? Oh my gosh, your Hellcat looks fucking. Look at his Hellcat, guys. It looks dyslexic. What the fuck is? Oh my gosh, bro, this thing looks freaking dyslexic. Look at the other side, guys. There's no other side. Why do you only have a Hellcat on one side, bro?
Shut up! There was only one. Okay? Oh, there was only one when I did it. Okay. Anyways, I'm putting.
Ew, why your shirt so tight?
All right, bro.
What up, man?
I always fucking have something to say, huh?
Yeah, I do. Tight shirt out there. Bro only has one Hellcat, bro. Get your freaking money up, man.
Honestly, bro, it's like chill. Either
Honestly,
way, for my TikToks, I'm gonna put a warning, like, what is it called?
What up, bitch?
Holy fucking shit.
All right, guys. Wait, where's Reef at? Where's Reef? Hey, Landon, where's Reef? Landon, where's Reef?
He's coming.
Wait, why don't you do it on that
Okay,
side?
bet. Guys, he only has one Hellcat, bro. Look at this. Man, what the fuck?
Dude, I need to wash my car, bro.
Yeah, you do. It's very fucking dirty.
I have cup twos in the back.
Fuck your cup twos.
I don't like them.
Hey, can I rev this right now?
No, dude.
Yes, let me rev it. Come on.
One time.
Toss
Really,
the
it's
keys.
hard. They're gonna get hella mad.
Tilted so off.
They're gonna hella
All
mad.
right, let me go for a test drive.
No.
What the fuck?
We've been in my car.
All right, let me drive it.
I know you want it for your YouTube video though.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna. But there's helicopters.
I'm not gonna be stupid, you know.
I'm not
we
letting
can
you
both
pull
go
Jared.
together.
I'm not letting you pull Jared. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna let you. What? I'm not Jared. Nah, I disrespect you.
No,
Yeah,
Kaz,
look at that fit in the back. Like, I really need that.
Now we can both go together. I'll let you drive
I'll
my
take-
car.
oh,
Let me
for
drive
real?
your car. Somebody's gonna let me drive.
Doesn't even
your
let
car.
me drive his car. What?
Cause I wouldn't let your broke ass.
So many M4s, bro. It's like 10
For real? Come on, bro.
Those fucking.
It never stops. There's so many. Do you like how I like? bubbles and shit.
I get M4, but like everybody else, so I just rather not have
All right, this is my second M4 of the day, guys.
Second
know.
and fourth of the day.
Yeah, I stole Chloe's earlier.
You want to do a thumbnail?
A thumbnail?
Thumbnail, right?
All right, bet.
See how much
Look at that, bro. We have two fake Hellcats right here.
Yeah, I'm
we have a
telling you,
fake
it's supposed to be slanted
M4
like
and we have a fake M5, bro. Wait, this is M4, right? Yeah, it's
Me
M4.
and Max did
Yeah,
it.
M4.
Same thing that did.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Harder.
Well. Look at these kids trying to be like the Hellcat driver himself. We have the real Hellcat right there.
Really?
Fake Hellcat. Another fake Hellcat. Bruh.
Yo, are we going to Nashville?
All right, boys. So as you can see, we have one more fake Hellcat that is pulled up right here. So we have a grand total of 1, 2, 3, 4 Hellcats. And only one of them is real. And I'm gonna get the cop's opinion on what does he think about this right now. As you can see, the cop is put up right now. When he hops out, I'm gonna ask, what does he think about all these fake Hellcats that are at community goods right now? How you doing, officer? Hey, what do you think? What do you think about these fake Hellcats? What do you think about
I
this
don't
right
know
now?
much about cars.
This is the real Hellcat?
Yeah.
Look at all these little fake imposters. What do you think about them?
I don't know. I have
No opinion?
no opinion.
Oh man. Bro, he said he has no opinion on the fake Hellcats. Hayden, bro! Bruh. Is that Chloe? That is not Chloe. But yeah, guys, look at this freaking... Bro, I'm not gonna lie, his Hellcat looks really good though. Like, it looks better than mine. I ain't gonna lie. Stay rep him! Stay rep him!
He has no cats.
You're
Start your car up!
You know I have no registration on my plate right now?
Oh my gosh,
It's my
typical.
pickup.
Rev that shit, rev it.
Nah, bro, not for the sheriff.
Now you're good, gang, you're good. Trust. Start the car up. You're good, bro. You're good in the hood. Mid.
You start your car now.
Okay.
That's very good. Sounds good. M2. Dude, first of all, you didn't even press M2. Right there. You're an idiot.
Alright, let's go. They left. Let's go.
Gang, we're chilling.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Come on, bro. It's for the vlog, bro.
That's
You're
fucked
good.
up. I did not tell you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I didn't tell you to do that. Let's go.
Yeah. M2. It is. Bro.
Come on. Damn. Shots fired. Hold on. Hold on. That was too loud. I don't know if it picked it up on camera, how loud that was, but it feels like my skull's like vibrating, bro. Literally, yes. All right, boys, as you can see, we have all the fake BMWs right here. Oh my gosh, bro, this is crazy. I'm telling you guys right now, this is about to go crazy viral. We have a fake Hellcat M5 right here. Look at the engine bay, it's so clean. And with the red DRLs too, insanely clean, bro. With the BBSs, this thing is like perfect. This is the best spec here. And then of course we have my Hellcat right there. We have the fake M4 right here, boys. Look at this. Look at this. Bruh. Oh my gosh. My car is so loud, bro. It's absolutely screaming right now. Straight home mirror, baby. And then we have a fake M5. Oh no. Oh no. Look at that. It's clean, bro. I need to get my engine bay clean. I have the dirtiest engine bay. And look how dark my freaking engine is, bro. Ah, dang. Man, you guys let me know. Who has the best Hellcat? Or who has the fake best Hellcat? I don't know. Whose Hellcat are you choosing? My Hellcat? The fake Hellcats? The M4 Hellcat? M5 Hellcat? You guys let me know. But we're currently just waiting for the sun to set all the way so we can get some nighttime shots as well. But this is absolutely insane, bro. Like, bro, this is so random, though. Oh my gosh. Everybody's clip farming. Everybody's getting their clips. Everybody's getting their photos. We're currently blocking up the whole entire thing so nobody can pass. It's absolutely crazy, bro. You guys make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you want to go shop my brand, it is reallocker.com. This is my necklace, and also this is my hoodie on as well. So you guys make sure you go shop. First link in bio, and I'll put it on the screen right here.
Girl Locker.
Yeah, go shop. Good boy. Good boy.
Link in bio. Girl Locker.
Good
Put
boy,
it right
good
here.
boy, good boy.
Fuck Girl
Oh
Locker.
my god. Whoa. Whoa. But yeah, guys. Crazy random thoughts, bro. What the heck? Take a minute. All right, boys. As you can see, we just made it to Go Greek right now.
You know how many kids are dead?
Hey, are the other BWs coming or no? No? Well, this is gonna be us two, I guess, for the night. So yeah, we just got a whole bunch of good W content. Bro, what? As you guys can see,
I need to put
we're
my
here once
lip
again.
on.
Huh?
Go put my lip on. It's ready for me. Look how cooked my lip is.
Look at this, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed that like 20-minute vlog, 30-minute vlog of all the WBNWs I put up today.
Look how cooked.
Yeah, your lip is.
Cali, look at
Even
that.
people were saying that in the comments that your lip is cooked.
That I saying in my
Damn.
I know.
That shit is cooked, I'm not gonna lie.
I look cooked.
You fried, gang. You fried.
You fried.
You fried. You fried. But yeah, we're ending up at freaking Go Greek once again, boys. So you guys make sure to like, comment, subscribe on the vlogs, bro, because we did a whole lot of shenanigans today, guys. Whole lot of shenanigans today. So you guys make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Keep supporting the channel, or keep supporting the brand, which is brettlocker.com. Like I say in every single video, keep going crazy. I love you guys. And our upcoming series will probably be like car shopping, probably looking at some BMWs, looking at some Lambos. I don't know, probably not BMW though. I got a little bit too excited when I said BMW. So probably not. Look, speaking of BMW right there.
M5CS.
Is he with us? No, not M5CS, bro.
M5CS with all this stuff on it. Whoa.
We're playing rock, paper, scissors, shoot for my hoodie right now. I don't want to give it up, but fuck it, let's see. All right, let's go.
The fact that we've already played 2 rounds, okay?
Wait, restart or stay?
No, we're staying.
All right, 1-1.
All right, it's
All
1-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bet I won.
No, one. It's best out of 3.
One more. It's one more. It's one more. It's one
That's
more.
how you do it.
It's one more.
I did this with a cop a few days ago. We did it to 3.
No, we just played 2 rounds before.
What? All right, one more.
No, I'm not playing right now.
All right, I keep my hoodie then.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yay.
One more round.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Whoa! You put up a katana.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Shoot!
I won.
No.
Yes,
Can we redo it, please? I can just give you one later. Because I want this one. And I have, they're all at my house.
And they're here like every
Yeah.
The rowing thing.
Yeah, every day.
same time every day.
Yeah, literally every day.
See you tomorrow. I'm kidding. Alright.
You gotta pull up every single day. It's a lifestyle.
The lifestyle.
Yeah, unemployed lifestyle.
Oh, I'm not employed, so when I acquire that lifestyle, I will live here for me.
Roger, can I sit on this?
Alright. Yeah, that's all.
Why can you sit?
Alright, tag me though.
Alright, nice to meet you guys.
Since we're starting off the vlog at Spirit Halloween, we were here to get ourselves a nice little Halloween costume. As you guys can see, we had a beautiful illegal parking right here, so we just got the car washed earlier today. It looks insanely clean. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead, go inside, and let's go find a costume. I don't know what I want to be, but fuck it. We gonna figure it out, boys. We gonna figure it out. So I'll catch y'all boys once we get inside. Go. Oh my gosh, bro.
This guy's not fucking
Not
real.
real. All right, so yeah, bro, they're gonna have an Arabic costume,
look
hot
at this.
Cheeto bag, a crayon. What are these costumes?
And as the kid reference.
You want to be a crayon game? Gosh, bro. Flint, that doesn't even look like Fred Flintstone, bro.
Fucking
Bob Ross, bro. Bro, what? Elvis.
Yo, tell me this doesn't go like the guy who was Korean
Costumes
barbecue.
are ass,
Tell me
bro.
this doesn't look like the guy who was Korean barbecue.